So, hello, customer. Yeah. So you have the extruder. You can disassemble the extruder from your printer. And now we are going to take off the cover, a plastic cover, so we can replace the heating tube or thermistor. So now first, so you turn the screw so you can take off this, the fan cover, okay? So there are 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 locking bolts for secure the plastic cover. So now we use a 2.0 hex wrench to uncover it. Take off the first bolt, the second bolt. There are 4. The third one, the fourth one. After this, please handle with care. Yeah, we can take it off, but you can handle gently because one of the fan cable is still connected. By this way, we have the splitter board here, so which have the fan. You see the red and the black cable here too, and the heater, the 2 cable here, this 2, and also the thermistor here, 2 cable here. So let's check this 2. So right here, 1, 2. And here we have the glue to secure it, to protect it from losing, but it's easy. You can use one of screwdriver to take it off. You drag it, so it will be off. But usually it will not lose. But anyway, it is electronic parts. It would. So okay, I have uncovered it. All right, then you use a screwdriver to lose the bolt, so you can take the cable out. It was located here. Actually, in our factory, we secure it very tight. You can see the 2 cable here, and you replace. You can take it off and replace it. And then, if you have the new component, you can replace it. Insert the cable until to the end of it, but never put the rubber inside, and then you lock it. It requires some skill, but I think you can do that. Same. You lock the 2 bolts. You don't have to be too tight, or you will break the thread, but it has to be tight. So you can secure. It's okay. You don't need to use the glue to secure it. We glue it because we have the long distance shipping. So by this way, you can replace the 3 cables. Thank you for your watching.